Hey, what do you think? Fine looking space. They're all,
It's a start
all
for him,
being
right?
creative
Yeah.
on the computers. Nobody's on a phone playing a
No,
game.
they're
Yeah. Great furniture.
Very cozy.
Yeah. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
That's great. Is that what you're making over here? So these printers all print in colors. It's great. These are fast printers too. A lot of cool high-tech stuff.
Howdy.
Howdy.
So we got a lot of really cool technology in here. This guy right here is the Roland BN220A. This is a vinyl printer cutter plotter. So this machine is able to print cut on a massive variety of materials from campuses, stickers, t-shirts, HTV, and so much more. You can also do wall decals, window clings, floor appeal. It's a really cool and versatile machine for print media. It's what the students here are using to make all their sports jerseys. That sticker there, all the cool shirts the students are walking around wearing, were all made utilizing this machine.
Cool.
This guy over here is our laser cutter. The laser cutter excels at cutting two-dimensional materials. So the really cool thing about this is you can cut and process hundreds of different materials, from woods to acrylics to leathers, stamped rubber, and much more. I like to call this the entrepreneurship hub because there's millions of products you can engrave, create, customize. And then we have our 3D printers over here, additive manufacturing. These guys work by taking a variety of colored materials and stacking them on top of each other to build up products and start to make something physical. Once you have those grown parts, you can do a variety of things like mold making, like you do in your shop, or making other cool products and trinkets for resale. And that's actually what this gentleman right here is working on, creating some 3D models for the 3D printer.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, well, it makes me think I wish I had all of this when I was their age. It's a little bit of a struggle. I started out with wire and string and glue and sticks, but yeah, this is some high-tech stuff, and it's, what's really cool about this is people come in here feeling that it's a school or they're almost like they're just playthings or toys. This is the real deal. These are the same machines we have in our shop, and they're learning on machines that they're able to create things like we create in the real industrial environment. So it's very cool.
A lot of times in the classrooms, we build everything towards a lesson, and we kind of get to throw that out the window here in a really fun way. So we get to say, yeah, we're still learning, but we're learning by doing the fun stuff. Let's make sports jerseys for all of our kids to go have a great time and get their names on the back and have them own that jersey, and they can get that sense of ownership and pride behind getting to go be on a sports team, while also learning a little bit about media design. Or we can learn about making fidget toys and other fun clickety-clacks. That student that just left was bragging to me about it was his design. And it's really cool how you can inspire that young creativity and get students excited outside of the classroom.
A fun fact about the kids and how quickly they're taking to this, over spring break, we had an art competition, and I had to have all of my kids doing the absolute most. And we took all 3 top spots, and one kid had a laser cut, and one kid did a 3D print. And I was so impressed. They absolutely killed it.
Every creative skill, in my opinion, is what you need to be free. Because if you have creative background, you have what you need to solve problems. Because all creativity is just problem solving.
I'm a huge proprietor of play and finding the education in your play, because when you're playing, you naturally want to learn about things. And there's a lot of play going on in here. Kids are actually getting their hands dirty, asking questions. My kid Vinny is in there messing around in Roblox Game Studio trying to make his first game. So there's so much inspiration going on around here. And it's absolutely amazing time to come and be a member graphic closer. Yeah. So right here we have all of our gaming PCs. All of these have 5060 RTX Ti's in them. That's a top-of-the-line graphics card, so they can run pretty much any game that's on the market, any AAA game, as well as run the entire Adobe Creative Cloud. So these systems have have all the power that we need for all the creative projects that we have going on. We got 6 PCs out here, 2 PCs in the maker room. If you look right here, this is more creativity. We have a whiteboard wall. Kids have access to this wall whenever they want to make something, whenever they're feeling artsy. We've got a bunch of fun art going on right here. If we look over here, this is where a lot of the magic happens. These are our heat presses. The heat presses are our workhorses for the football jerseys that Jordan just mentioned. They actually made this shirt that I'm currently wearing, if you want to take a peep at the lab logo right there. And then we've done things like hats. We actually just sold a hat, the one that we just pressed. So we got a lot of really cool things going on. And then up here we have all of our gaming systems, art supplies, and yeah, just a really fun, inviting space for teens to come and hang out. I run a program called Teen Talk, and it's literally just kind of an open mic situation where we all sit down, everyone puts phones away, turns computers off, no games. If anybody wants to speak, they come to the front and they tell me what's on their mind, and then I ask them if they'd like advice from their peers or if they'd like advice from me. They have the option to accept or refuse, and it's just a safe place to get everything that you want to get off your chest. I think the kids really like it. I think it's liberating to have a place that you can go and speak your mind. Come check us out if you're a teen, and thank you to Garner Holt for helping all this be possible. Anything that I can do to support Garner Holt, don't hesitate to ask, because you got a friend in us.
Are you enjoying exploring on these computers?
Yeah.
You got a lot of things going on there. Pretty impressive.
Hello.
Hello. How you doing? Were you over there? You were over there making shirts, right?
Yeah.
I'm Garner.
It's really nice to
doing?
meet you.
Good to meet you. Oh yeah. Have you guys been to our shop yet? On the tour?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So good. You enjoying this place?
Yeah. Actually, very.
You like? Yeah. You like all the machines?
Yeah. I
Really?
find it very useful.
Are you two related?
We're twins.
Oh, it's yeah. You kind of like talk together at the same time.